How to use video in digital marketing. Did you know? More than 250 million hours of videos are watched each day on YouTube. According to a report from HubSpot Research, more than 50% of consumers want to see videos from brands. Well-positioned videos in digital marketing have the power to drive better traffic and higher proportion of conversions. This guide will help you understand the use of video in digital marketing. Use video to improve search rankings. Adding videos to your website ranks better on search engine results pages. Use of video on social media. Video is now social. Posting videos on social media is a great way to promote your brand. Embed video to websites. Embed videos on your website homepage to improve the website user experience. Use live videos on social websites. Live stream on social media and your website and increase engagement and your conversion rate. Video ads enrich PPC campaigns. Videos act as a great marketing tool and can make engaging ads for your pay-per-click campaigns. Implement these and other ideas of using video in your marketing strategy with Muvi. Take a 14-day free trial now.